Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Reading the morning newspaper is a relaxing ritual of many pupils, but unfortunately, this admirable habit results in the waste of a lot of paper rather than simply tossing your old newspaper in the garbage pail. So guys, I am going to share some old newspaper hacks that will make your reading experience much more enjoyable. First off, did you know that you can use old newspaper to clean your windows? Yes, you heard it right. Just crumble up a few sheets of newspaper and use it to wipe your windows clean. The ink is the newspaper act as a natural cleanser, leaving your windows sparkling clean. So another great hack is using newspaper to absorb odors. Simply place some crumpled newspaper in your shoes, gym bag or refrigerator to absorb any unplaced smell. Moving on to a next hack with you, a simple yet effective hack for keeping your raw papaya fresh for longer. All you need is some newspaper and your raw papaya. Next, place the wrapped papaya in a cool and dry place away from directly sunlight. This will help to slow down the ripening process and keep your papaya fresh for up to a week or more. Next, take a few sheets of newspaper and lay them flat on your kitchen counter. Spread the coriander leaves evenly on the newspaper, making sure there is enough space between each leaves. Now, carefully roll the newspaper from one end to the other, making a tight bundle. You can use a rubber band or twine to secure the bundle in place. Finally, store the bundle in your refrigerator. So guys, next I'm going to show you how to effectively peas on a newspaper. First, make sure you have a newspaper or any other disposable surface to catch the peas shells. Take 100 of peas and start by gently squeezing them out of their shells. You want to use just enough pressure to separate the peas from the shells without squeezing them. Once you have removed all the peas, gather up the empty shells and discard them on the newspaper. Repeat this process until you have peeled all your peas. Now you might be wondering why we are using a newspaper instead of a plate or ball. Well, it's simple. Using a newspaper save on cleanup time and easy eco-friendly because it's biodegradable, plus it's easier to dispose of the cells without having to scraps and them off a plate or ball. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to peel pea. Next, I want to share a quick tip with you that will make your life in the kitchen so much easier. Have you ever noticed how messy your platform gets when you make chapatis, flour or dough everywhere, right? Well, I have a solution for you. All you need to do is grab a newspaper and lay it down on your platform before you start making your chapatis. This way, all the mess will be contained on the newspaper and your platform will stay clean. Plus, it's super easy to just fold up the newspaper and throw it away when you are done. I know it may seem like a small thing, but trust me, it's make a big difference. No more spending extra time cleaning up after cooking, and let's be real, who has time for that? So next time you are making chapatis or any other mess dish, give this trip a try. You will thank you me later. And as always, happy cooking. Next, newspaper little hacks. I learned for keeping artificial flower in place on a pot. All you need is some newspaper and a little bit of water. First, crumple up some newspaper and place it in the bottom of your pot. This will help create a stable base for your flowers. Next, dampen up the newspaper with a little bit of water. This will help the flowers stick to the pot and stay in place. Now you can arrange your artificial flowers on top of the damp newspaper, and voila, your flowers will stay in place and look beautiful for a week to come. So next time you are struggling to keep your artificial flower in place, give this newspaper tricks. So guys, thank you so much. Thanks for turning to my video. I appreciate all the support and feedback you have given me so far. I am always looking for new ideas and topic to cover, so I want to hear from you. Let me know the comment and what you want to see in the next video. I want to make sure that I am creating content that you find valuable and informative, whether it's a tutorial, a review, or just a fun blog. I am open to suggestions, so don't be shy and let me know what you are interested in. And if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on this any my future videos. I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, so stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching and supporting to my channel. Let's keep the conversation going and create some awesome content together. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.